The next divine name is Ghani, which means the rich. Allah, the Exalted, is rich beyond needing anything, whereas the creation are poor and are completely in need of Him. The Muslim who understands this divine name will seek all things from Allah, the Exalted, through sincere obedience by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience. They will understand that both worldly and religious richness, which are free of any defects, can only be achieved through the sincere obedience of Allah, the Exalted. A Muslim must act on this divine name by striving to become independent of people and only rely on Allah, the Exalted. In fact, becoming independent of the material world and the possessions of people will lead to the love of Allah, the Exalted, and the love of people, according to a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 4102. This is achieved when one uses the blessings they have been given, such as good health, to lawfully fulfill their needs and the needs of their dependents, and avoid laziness by relying on others, such as the government, to fulfill this duty for them. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.